Greece in just 2 hours and I still have not packed yet. I'm gonna show you how I pack really quickly for my 10-day getaway to Greece. I am going with 17 beautiful ladies, so this trip is gonna be incredible. I'm super excited. I don't know why I waited till the last minute, but I'm gonna show you how I pack really quickly, and I'm also gonna share some tips with you for travel to Greece. For those that are new to my channel, I am a travel agent and my company is Breathless Getaways. So pack with me, I don't have much time, let's get going. So this is what I'm gonna do. I have everything laid out already. I have it separated by my shirts, my bottoms, my dresses. I have my swimwear, my night clothes, underwear. What I do is roll them all up and then I put them in these plastic bags and I separate it. All of my dresses, my shorts, my beachwear, shirts, and then I roll it all up, put it in my suitcase, pack it neatly, and then I add in all of my toiletries and accessories. So now onto my dresses. I'm gonna roll up my dresses. I'm gonna show you some of them that I got because some of these dresses are so freaking cute. I got this dress from Fashion Nova, which fits really nice. I don't have time to try it on. Here is another beautiful dress. This dress fits so nice. This is from Fashion Nova also. I believe it was like $49 or $39. Really, really good prices. And this one is just like a simple, really soft dress. Fits really nice, pretty sexy. So this one I'm wearing also. So I have a ton of dresses. So I'm just gonna roll these dresses up. Some of them I am gonna keep out and put it in my carry-on. I've had it where the airline has actually lost my luggage and it's traveled to different places, not where I was. So there will be some dresses that I do actually keep in my carry-on. But let's get to rolling these dresses. So I want to share some tips with you about packing for Greece. Do not overpack. Pack as light as you can, take as little as you can, because remember, if you're traveling between multiple cities, you're taking multiple flights, you're taking ferries. The ferry is a shit show. So you do not want to be lugging around more than one suitcase on the ferry. Also, with the flights, you will get charged. I believe some of the airlines, after 30 pounds, you will get charged. I had women in my group that paid an additional $180 because they packed so much. So pack light. Okay, so now all of my dresses are rolled up and now I'm gonna place them all in this bag. So I've got a lot of dresses. Honestly, I probably packed too many, but hey, can never have enough dresses. Some I'll wear in the day, some at nighttime, but a couple of tips that I want to tell you about is when you travel to Europe, you absolutely should change your currency to euros before you leave. So you can go to your bank to order your currency. I went to my bank, I ordered $1,000 in euros, and I believe it cost me $1,148 in USD. And I just got to shout out my neighbor's dog. You can hear Coco barking all in the background, but definitely order euros before you leave your destination, because if you wait to do it at the airport or in destination, you're gonna end up spending more money. So these are some of my dresses. I still have a few more that I'm gonna pack in these packages. The other thing that I wanna tell you about is, let me get it. You need to order a converter plug, like 100% for your electronics to charge. I got mine on Amazon. I got 2 for like $15. So definitely do that. And what I also did that is like a necessity for me, I purchased a hotspot with T-Mobile. So my provider is T-Mobile. I purchased a hotspot. I believe it was $200. And with this, I can use Wi-Fi on the go. So I'm gonna be on the go a lot in Greece and I need to be in contact with my clients and I need my internet. So even at the hotels, they obviously have free Wi-Fi, but from what I hear, the Wi-Fi is not that great. So definitely get a hotspot. You can even rent a hotspot. So I'll link in the description box below where you can rent a hotspot. That way you don't have to spend $200. For myself, I travel a lot, so that's something that I need. Okay, so now I've got all of my dresses packed. And I think I'm down to like I don't even know. Maybe I have an hour and 30 minutes now. So another thing, I've only been to Europe twice, but every time I've gone, I went to Paris, I went to Italy. Every hotel I stayed at, they didn't have good washcloths, not the ones that I like. So some of them, either they don't have washcloths, or it's like you're washing with a hand towel. It's very thin, not good quality, so I recommend bringing your own washcloth. So I'm gonna bring a few washcloths with me. Hopefully they'll surprise me at the hotels I'm staying at and they will have good washcloths, but most times in Europe they do not, at least where I've stayed. So for at night, I'm gonna bring just two, actually no, I do actually have like a dress that I like to sleep in. It's a really soft like night dress. I have a nice silk night shirt and just a night top and some shorts. So I should probably leave one of these home. You know what? I'm gonna leave this home. So I'm gonna roll these up, put them in a bag. I'm going to show my swimsuits in a couple of minutes, but just wanted to give a tip to bring only 2 swimsuits. And the reason why is because Greece has so many beautiful swimsuits. You're going to want to have a swimsuit from Greece, or 2 or 3. So bring 2 and even cover-ups, gorgeous cover-ups in Greece. So I just want to show you this beach cover-up that I got. This is also from Fashion Nova. I wish I had time to try these on for you, but I don't. But this is really, oh my God, it fits really nice and I love the color. And then I got this fancy little number, this beautiful white bathing suit also from Fashion Nova. This fits like so wonderfully. I just can't gain any weight while I'm there, because if not, my stomach is gonna look crazy. So that is usually where I go to when I shop for vacation. I also got this nice, beautiful color bathing suit. This one was from Amazon. I think it was like $29. So I'm actually gonna take 1 bathing suit. I probably should take 2. You know what? 2 bathing suits I'm gonna put in my carry-on. God forbid that my luggage gets lost again. So I'm gonna put 2 swimsuits in my carry-on, my cover-up, 2 dresses, my toiletries, makeup, because I gotta have my makeup. And I'm not taking any of my expensive shoes. The red bottoms are staying home because God forbid my luggage gets lost or someone steals them. So those are gonna stay home, but I recommend always packing like your necessities, any medication, your makeup, ladies, in your carry-on just in case they lose your luggage, because it happens. So another tip I wanna give is when you travel out of the country, notify your credit card company that you are traveling, because if not, you will get declined by most credit card companies if they are unaware that you're traveling to another country. They may see it as a fraudulent charge and you don't want to be without a credit card. So notify your credit card company and only use a credit card that has a 0 foreign transaction fee. If you do not have a 0 foreign transaction fee, you will be hit with another fee, which is kind of sucks. Like, you're spending so much more with those fees. So I decided to pack 1 outfit for the gym, which is huge for me because I don't even go to the gym when I'm at home. So for me to go to the gym on vacation is like huge, but my sister's making me do it. So let's see if I actually go to the gym. So last part of it, I'm packing up my underwear, which you don't need to see, but I'm gonna pack my underwear in another baggie that I had, and I will then put everything in the suitcase and I'll show you how I pack it. Okay, so we are almost there. Now I'm gonna put all the clothes into the suitcase. I have them all in their own baggies right now. I'm gonna put it all in the suitcase and then I'm gonna add in toiletries, my shoes, and then I gotta get going. I'm so late. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put my bags all in my suitcase. I've got everything neatly packed up. So we will get all of this in. Okay, so I'll start with the biggest bag first, which is about 5 dresses. And you just want to position it so that everything is just flat and fits neatly into the space. And then as you add in your toiletries and all of that, you just put those on top. Okay, so those are my clothes. my underwear, my night clothes, all of my dresses, my little one pair of shorts, and I still have a lot of room, but I still have to pack shoes. So let's get some shoes in here. So I got some shoes from Zara, little flats. Sorry, not Zara, Fashion Nova. Little cute flats. So these are brand new, so I don't need to, you know, cover these. Usually I put them in a plastic bag so that my stuff doesn't get dirty. So I'm just gonna squeeze it in here. In between, I do have heels with me. 2 pairs of heels is recommended for Greece, ladies. Try to keep the heels at home, but I'm sorry, like I love heels, so hopefully I don't break my leg or my ankle. I'm gonna wear my heels, but mainly flats. So I use my little, yes, these are my doggy bags. But I put my shoes inside so that my clothes don't get dirty. It's like a game of Tetris, so just make sure it fits in a nice little space, and I still have some space here, so I'll put another pair of flats right in between. These are another pair of flats that I got from Fashion Nova, and they're so cute. These were like, I think $20, something cheap. Throw that box over there. And now these can just fit right in between, which is sweet. And you know what? Yeah, actually I'll leave them right there. I also have a pair of slippers that I always bring. Like these are from, where are these from? Dreams in the Caribbean. These are gonna come with me. I'll position them there. And then for these, I'm also gonna put these in a baggie. These will go in a baggie. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my toiletries. And I just put them in these little plastic bags like this. And I'm just gonna stack them inside. And again, you're pretty much playing Tetris. So I have this game that we're gonna play while we're there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this, you know what? I'm gonna put it in the bag and let's see if it fits. If not, I'll pull it out and take it on my carry-on. Oh, so another tip for Greece. If you are taking the ferry, you are gonna wanna get some motion sickness patches or the pills because they will help tremendously. Like the water sometimes can be really, really rough. So you definitely wanna make sure you have those just in case. Always pack my notebook. This is actually from Barbados. So I will have that here. And oh, I actually wanted to show you guys this. So again, we're a group of 17 people going on this trip, and I got each person a passport book. These are so cute. It has the initials on it. Everyone's getting a luggage tag and a champagne tumbler with their name on it, which I think is so cute. And I got these all from Etsy, so if you want to know where I got it from, send me an email. Okay, so I do have quite a few toiletries, but I still have a lot of room in my suitcase, so just gonna pack these up. Selfie stick, another must for me. I've got to have my selfie stick. Portable charger, that as well. So necessary when you're traveling, and also when you're out pretty much for like most of the day or half the day, you want to make sure you have a portable charger. And actually I'm going to put this in a case so that it does not get damaged. I did it. We are done. I am done packing my suitcase. I'm sweating. I'm hot, as you can see. So everything is packed in. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna pack my necessities for my carry-on bag, which will have, you know, my important things that I know I need from day one in case my luggage does not show up. But for the most part, I am done. I'm gonna pack this up really quick. call my Uber because I'm lazy and I don't want to drive to JFK. That's like maybe like an hour and a half. So if you like this video and you want to see more content like this, and if you want to see my travels in Greece and my experiences, click that like button and click subscribe for more videos like this. See you soon.